Beneath the ocean's surface, where light fades and silence reigns, strange geological features rise from the deep. These underwater uplifts, often hidden from view, hold secrets that challenge our understanding of Earth's history. They are not the result of tectonic shifts or volcanic activity, but something else entirely. These formations are shaped by forces we've yet to fully grasp, remnants of ancient, slow-moving geologic processes. These are not just geologically oddities. They are clues, pieces of a puzzle that may redefine how we think about the planet's evolution and the forces that shape it. As we dive deeper into the mystery, we find that these structures are not just remnants of the past. They may still be shaping the future of our oceans, and perhaps our world. We're talking about underwater uplifts, massive, sudden movements of the seafloor that ripple through the ocean like a silent earthquake. These aren't just small tremors, they're powerful, deep-sea events that can reshape entire ecosystems. These uplifts often occur in regions where tectonic plates are grinding against each other, building up pressure until it's released in a burst of energy beneath the waves. They're often detected through sonar mapping and satellite data, revealing features that were previously hidden beneath layers of sediment and cold, dark water. Understanding these uplifts is crucial for predicting future geological activity and protecting coastal regions from the unseen dangers of the deep. These underwater uplifts aren't just geologically oddities. They're silent sentinels of Earth's ancient history. Every ridge and dome holds clues to the planet's past, and understanding them could reshape how we see our world. As we dig deeper into the ocean floor, we're uncovering layers of time. Sediments that tell stories of ancient climates, earthquakes, and even mass extinctions. These uplifts are time capsules, preserving secrets that could change our understanding of Earth's evolution. But the implications go beyond history. These structures could influence ocean currents, marine ecosystems, and even climate patterns. The way the ocean moves around these uplifts may have a ripple effect on weather and biodiversity across the globe. In a world where natural disasters are becoming more frequent and unpredictable, knowing the exact shape and position of these underwater features could help us prepare for the next big shift in Earth's geology. So, while they may seem like hidden, unremarkable features, these underwater uplifts are more than just landforms. They are pieces of a puzzle that, if solved, could save lives and protect the fragile balance of our planet. The earliest records of underwater uplifts date back to ancient maritime civilizations, where sailors and fishermen first noticed strange floating land masses near the coastlines. These were often mistaken for islands or natural phenomena, but their presence defied the known geography of the time. As exploration expanded, so did the understanding of these features. Early cartographers attempted to chart them, but the lack of precise instruments meant many were either ignored or mislabeled as myths or errors. The 20th century brought seismic and sonar technology, which finally allowed scientists to peer beneath the waves. These tools revealed that many of these uplifts were not natural, but rather the result of tectonic shifts and geological upheavals. As more data was gathered, the mystery deepened. Some uplifts were found to be relatively recent, formed by massive underwater earthquakes, while others hinted at ancient tectonic movements that reshaped the planet's surface. Today, these features are studied with advanced deep-sea drones and satellite imaging. They serve as both warnings and revelations, reminders of the planet's ever-changing nature and the hidden forces that shape our world. Imagine the ocean floor as like a big, quiet rug. Sometimes this rug moves up, not down, like a hidden button being pressed from below. These are called underwater uplifts. They're not earthquakes, but more like the Earth taking a deep breath and pushing up in secret. Scientists think these movements are like the Earth's heartbeat, sometimes slow, sometimes not felt at all, but always happening. These uplifts help shape the ocean floor, creating new habitats for creatures that live in the dark, cold, and pressure of the deep. They remind us that even in the quietest places, the Earth is alive, moving, and changing, just like us. The process begins with a stable, sediment-covered seafloor, where tectonic forces have slowly built up pressure beneath the surface. Over centuries, the pressure from shifting tectonic plates accumulates, pushing against the surrounding rock and sediment layers. These forces are not immediately visible, but are felt in the way the seabed subtly deforms, creating subtle but growing instability. The setup is crucial. The deeper the water and the more pressure, the greater the potential for a sudden, dramatic release. This is the stage where the buildup of energy is most evident, though the release remains an inevitability waiting for the right trigger. Once the initial pressure is established, the sediment layers begin to shift under the immense force, creating subtle cracks that allow the water to seep in and out, like a slow breath. These cracks act as conduits, channeling pressure and movement through the seabed, gradually building up tension in the surrounding rock and sediment. These ripples are the first signs of the uplift process, signaling that the forces beneath are no longer in equilibrium and are pushing against the weight of the ocean above. Eventually, the accumulated pressure finds release, and the seabed begins to rise in a slow, deliberate motion, as if exhaling a deep, ancient breath. This is the second phase of the process, the build-up, the tension, the moment before the uplift begins in earnest. The clever twist lies in the way the uplifts are not just passive structures, but active features of the seafloor's dynamic history. They are remnants of ancient tectonic movements that once shaped the very fabric of the ocean floor. These formations are not random. They form a kind of geological memory, preserving the last moments of a long-forgotten tectonic event. They are like frozen whispers of the Earth's deep past. As the tectonic plates shift, these uplifts can become isolated, standing as solitary sentinels in the deep. Their presence is both a warning and a remnant of the Earth's powerful, slow-moving forces. The real twist is that these features are not just remnants, but also guides. They help scientists understand how the seafloor has evolved over millions of years, and how it may change in the future. By studying these uplifts, we unlock a deeper understanding of the Earth's hidden forces, forces that have shaped, and continue to shape, the world beneath our feet. Beneath the waves, tectonic forces are in constant motion, shaping the seafloor in ways we can only begin to grasp. These underwater uplifts are not random. They are the result of deep Earth processes, slow but unrelenting. As plates grind against one another, pressure builds up until it's released in sudden bursts of energy. These events can cause underwater mountains to rise or valleys to deepen, often without warning. Seismic surveys and sonar mapping have revealed these structures in their raw, untouched form. They are not just geological features. They are the scars of Earth's ancient and ongoing struggles. The study of these features is not just about understanding the past. It's about predicting the future. As we explore deeper, we gain insight into the very mechanics that keep our planet alive. Each uplift tells a story, a silent, ancient history preserved in rock and sediment, a history that, once understood, may help us better prepare for what is to come. Imagine a city built on the edge of a vast, shifting desert. The ground beneath it is not solid, but a loose, shifting layer of sand and stone. Every step you take, the surface ripples slightly, as if it's breathing. You never know when the ground might give way or shift beneath your feet. Now, picture yourself standing on the edge of that desert, looking out at a horizon that seems to stretch endlessly. You can feel the heat rising, the air shimmering with the weight of the earth itself. It's a place where time feels heavy, and the land is alive with slow, unseen movements. These movements are not dramatic or violent. They are subtle, like the turning of a great, unseen tide. They are the result of forces that have been at work for millions of years, shaping the land in ways that are difficult to perceive, yet deeply real. This is what it's like to witness an underwater uplift. It's not a sudden, dramatic event. It's a quiet, patient process, like the slow breathing of the earth itself. It's a reminder that even in the most still places, change is always happening. Before you go, if you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And tell us in the comments what you'd like us to make next. We read every single one. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you made it to the end.